Clary Sage can be used as a deodorant, antidepressant, and as a sedative. It is effective in combating oily hair and is superior for acne, wrinkles, and fine lines. Women experiencing hormonal changes or menopause symptoms such as hot flashes find this oil quite beneficial. Clary Sage properties are antidepressant, anticonvulsive, antispasmodic, antiseptic, aphrodisiac, astringent, bactericidal, carminative, deodorant, digestive, enemagogue, euphoric, hypotensive, nervine, sedative, stomatic, uterine, and nerve tonic. Clary Sage oil is non-toxic and non-sensitizing. Do not use this oil during pregnancy or if you're at risk for breast cancer, as it may have estrogen-like effect on the body. Clary Sage is a top to middle note.